So there you can see the beekeeper in his natural habitat. He's busy inspecting the hive. Crouched down like a monkey. Just staring at the hive. The super on. So the super is usually where we harvest the honey. We don't really harvest from the brood box except when it's winter maintenance. But there's something off. There's something you feel is not right with your hive by just inspecting the super. You want to take your super off, and then you want to inspect the brood box because this is where the queen is busy. You want to check the health here in the brood box. So what we are trying to see now is if we can see any queen cells. So a queen cell you usually see on the side. So there's your queen cell. You see that big where the hive tool is? That's where your queen cell is. So on your hive, like the ball we explained earlier, was that your queen cells, they will usually form on the outside and on the bottom. You are dealing with your brood frames, especially. You must be very careful. You must be very gentle. You don't want to kill any bees, and you must remember your queen is in there. So if you kill your queen, you might kill your colony. So you have to be very careful. And there's also a lot of young bees, a lot of baby bees and young bees and nurse bees, especially. So this one, you want to record your data of your hives. Now, I think this is only for when you have a lot of hives. If this is your business, if your business is making money from bees, you want to record your data. But if you're hobbyist, you can do it as well. Don't have to necessarily, but yeah, if you're doing this, if this is your bread and butter, then you must record your data. You must make sure you have a history that you can log. 180